extension for the extension of scheme for empowering of the scheduled tribe and scheduled caste it is communities for using the information and communication tools. ICCT ची tools ची scheme आहा तिका आमी extension दिता. Amendment to the Goa Startup Policy 2021 and IT Policy 2018 या दोन्ही पॉलिसीनी amendment धाडला for the further improvement करपा खातीर. Ex post facto approval for the lease of the one government primary school for the Amber Salvador the Moon allotment of the Gomantak Vidya Vardhini या स्कूला खातीर. Post facto approval for the lifting of the probation of the confirmation of the one Suresh the Kul Narulkar of the labor presiding officer in the labor court. Okay. It is then Goa Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Bill to place in the Assembly. ताका हे दिले. ताज्या उपरांत proposal for the further amendment for the Goods and Services Tax Act 2027 in line with the Government of India. Okay. A proposal for the Public Works Departmentaची काही कामां जी आशिल्ली ताका ex post facto approval आणि appointment of the personal staff relaxation of Mr. Sudhin Davlikar.